Navector fine particle separator is specially developed and designed for the lithium battery industry. It adopts advanced ultrasonic screening technology combined with 3D vibration and swing motion modes, effectively preventing mesh blockage and particle entrapment from 50 to 635 mesh, significantly extending screen life and increasing screening capacity. Its stable operating performance ensures continuous production and accurate material distribution, achieving 2 to 4 times higher throughput compared with conventional machines of the same size. The equipment efficiently separates agglomerated materials, reduces the proportion of oversized particles, enhances screening output, and clearly classifies fine particles with similar diameters, all while maintaining the original material properties. With superior system compatibility, low temperature rise during operation, and long-term stable performance, it meets strict temperature control requirements. This machine is suitable for 20 to 300 micrometers powders, especially those that are highly adsorptive, electrostatically charged, prone to agglomeration, or low in bulk density. It is widely applied in new energy battery materials, powder coatings, photovoltaic silicon powder, advanced functional materials, and chemical powders, making it an ideal solution for high precision and high efficiency screening.